Many forces act together. All objects are affected by several different forces or multiple forces at once. The force that is the strongest will cause the change of an object. The change might be a change of shape, a change of position, or a change in the speed an object is traveling. Look at this example of Sophia rolling a ball. There are several forces acting on the ball. Applied force, as Sophia pushes the ball. Gravity pulls the ball down towards the earth. Air resistance slows the ball down once it is moving. Friction with the floor slows the ball down once it is moving. Which forces are acting when you ride a bicycle? Look at the picture of Marcus riding the bicycle. Gravity is pulling Marcus and the bicycle towards the center of the earth. Friction between the tires and the road is pulling him back. Air resistance is also pulling him back. To overcome the air resistance and friction, Marcus must push on the pedals to push the bicycle forwards. This is thrust. Thrust is an applied force. Air resistance. Thrust, applied force. Professional cyclists who enter races all over the world have very carefully designed and very expensive bicycles. Designers use science when they choose strong but lightweight materials to make the bicycles, tires to cope with rough roads or smooth roads, and high-tech gears to cope with mountainous country. Forces acting on aeroplanes, air resistance and gravity, are the two forces which act on anything lifted from the earth and moved through the air. To overcome these forces, we have to create our own forces of thrust and lifting up. An aeroplane is a good example of these forces. An aeroplane uses its wings and engines to lift it off the ground and thrust it forward.